Today we are going to learn a new topic of mathematics. So for that we need to understand 4 cases. So let's begin with our first case. So the first case is when none of the digits is 0.
Arrange the given digits in the descending order. Smallest number, we arrange the given digits in the ascending order.
Case 2 is when one of the given digits is 0. Yes, whenever you have given some digits and out of them one digit is 0. So how can you make smallest and greatest numbers? Just remember that to form smallest number, just put the 0 in the second place from the left and write the remaining digits in ascending order. And to form greatest number, just write the digits in descending order. The next case, the repetition of one or more digits. Okay, so to form greatest number with the given digit, here we have given some digits and out of them we have to make greatest digits. The case is that repetition is allowed. In order to make greatest number, we have to just follow some steps. So step 1 is write the digits in descending order. Yeah, it is similar to case 1 and 2. We have to do this. But case 2 is repeat the greatest digit. You have given some digits. Okay, so the digit which is greatest out of all the digits, just repeat that digits in the remaining places to the left of the greatest digits. So let's take an example and then you will able to understand this step 2 very clearly. Like we have these 3 digits and we have to make the greatest 5-digit number. So 5-digit number means you have to fill 5 places. So first of all, just arrange these digits in descending order like we have done in case 1 and 2. So arrange it in descending like 7, then 5, then 1. Now which one is the greatest digit out of these 3 digits? Yes, 7. So just repeat the 7 in the remaining places from the towards the left. Okay, towards the left of the greatest, since 7 is the greatest and its left side is this. So just repeat 7 towards the left side. So our answer is 77751. So greatest 5-digit number is 77,751. Now similarly, we will form smallest number with the given digits. So the step 1 is write the digits in ascending order. Yes, we just follow this. Okay, it is already we have done in case 1 and 2. Now, step 2 is repeat the smallest digit. Like we have done in greatest, in order to form greatest number, we repeat the greatest digit. Now here in the smallest number, we repeat the smallest digit in the remaining place to the left of the smallest digit. So let's take an example. Here we have 3 digits, 715, and now make smallest number. The smallest 5-digit number. So smallest 5-digit number means we have to fill 5 places. So first of all, arrange these digits in ascending order like 1, 5, 7. Now smallest digit here is 1. So just fill the remaining places towards the left of this smallest digit. So just fill it by the smallest digit only. So here smallest digit is 1. So just fill these 2 places by 1. So your answer will be 11157. So we can read it as 11,157. Now let's move towards the next case. Case 4. Repetition of one or more digits when one of the digits is 0. Whenever we have given some digits and out of them one is 0, and here we have repetition is allowed. So in order to form smallest number with the given digits, the first step is put 0 in the second place as we have done in the case 2. Okay. Now step 2 is write the digit in ascending order. We have done in case 1, 2, 3. Now third step is repeat 0 in the remaining places to the left. Now here you have to repeat the smallest digit. 0 is the smallest, so just repeat the 0. Whenever you have given 0 and repetition is allowed, just repeat 0. Okay, so for example, we have given 3 digits, out of them 1 is 0. So our smallest number of 5 digits is, first of all, write 0 at the second place. Arrange the digits in ascending order like 1 and 7. 0 should be at second place. And then we just arrange the remaining digits in ascending order. So our answer will be, we have to form 5-digit numbers. So our answer should be, we just repeat 0 in order to fill 5 digits. So we have these 2 remaining digits are left. So just fill it by zeros. So in this way our answer will be 10,007. So this is the smallest 5-digit number. Now similarly, greatest 5-digit number, how can we make? By using 0 and repetition is allowed. So in order to form greatest number with the given digits, just follow the step 1, write the digits in ascending or descending order, and then step 2 is repeat the greatest digit in the remaining places to the left. This is similar to the case 2, I guess. Yes, case 2. So yes, let's take an example. Here we have three digits, but here we have 1 0. So we just need not to do anything, just arrange these digits in descending order and repeat the highest or the greatest digits towards the left. So yes, greatest 5-digit number, we have 5 places, just arrange them in descending order like 7 1 0 and repeat the greatest one. Here greatest digit is 7, so just repeat 7. So it will become 77710. So greatest 5-digit number is 77,710.